friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
What's up guys, it's NG. Welcome back to my channel. If you do have like little spots in your or patches in your eyebrows, and I really can tell it will get your eyebrows fuller, so this is with Whiten, and all I do is take one capsule of the Whiten and I open it or just break it, and the Whiten is water soluble, so it will dissolve in water, and I take the capsule and just like put it all in. And then I will put on it like the salt water, and then using a syringe every night I just cover my eyebrows and my eyelashes with this, and I go to sleep, you know. I'm looking for you. This is the you can use castor oil, by the way, but I saw incredible result with the Whiten, so I just not gonna lie and tell you to do the same thing, because I've tried the castor oil like a long time ago, which it helps, you know. You need really patience and you need to just stick to it, you know, and never get discouraged when you don't see, you know, the results you're expecting, and you just need to keep, you know, applying it. Unlike the Whiten you will see the results like within 1 week. It's just gonna make you never forget to apply it because you just simply see the result. And I'm type of people that when I don't see results, then I just, you know what, I just give up, you know, as easy as that. Because like, you know how our generation is, we just want things very quickly, you know. So after you apply it on your eyebrows, and you will apply it also on your eyelashes, and you know, of course, after you remove the makeup, and then I keep it in the syringe or in the container for next day's use, or it won't last with me because I'm gonna put it on my hair anyway. So before I wash my hair the night before, I apply it in my roots, and I put the shower cap and I sleep in it, and the next morning I wash my hair, you know. So, and regardless to your genes, you will get hair results with that. So anyways guys, this is my crazy luck today, and go to sleep, and I will apply it on my hair as well because tomorrow I'm going to wash my hair anyway. So thank you guys for watching, keep me posted, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.